Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best transparent nail stamper on the market, the PUEEN 35mm HD Chunky Transparent Soft Stamper and Scraper Set. If you're into nail art or looking to start your own DIY stamping journey, this set might just be the game changer you need. Right from the start, what sets this stamper apart is its upgraded design featuring an extra-large transparent soft stamper head. The transparency is a huge advantage because it allows you to see exactly where you are placing your design on your nails, giving you precise control for flawless nail art. No more guesswork or misplaced patterns. The stamper head is soft yet durable, and it covers a full nail, making it ideal whether you're working on smaller nails or want complete coverage. Plus, it comes with a matching scraper to help you remove excess polish from your stamping plate efficiently, which is essential for clean, crisp designs. One of the standout features is the ability to remove the cap from the bottom of the handle, which enhances visibility even more by giving you a completely clear, high-definition view of the image you're about to stamp. This thoughtful detail elevates the whole stamping experience, ensuring your design lands perfectly every time. Using this stamper is straightforward. You start by applying your base color and letting it dry fully. Then, apply polish to your chosen design on a stamping plate and scrape off the excess polish with the scraper. Lightly press the stamper head onto the plate to pick up the image, and then transfer it carefully onto your nail. It's that simple, but the results look professional and polished. A nice touch is that the stamper heads require no priming before use, so you can get started right away. If you ever feel it's not picking up polish well, a gentle wash with warm soapy water can refresh it, but otherwise, it's ready to go out of the box. To keep your stamper in the best condition, avoid using acetone or nail polish remover to clean it, as these chemicals can damage the soft surface and cause clouding over time. Instead, clean it with tape or a lint roller, which will preserve its clarity and longevity. The dimensions are compact, just about 1 by 2 by 3 inches, and it's lightweight, making it easy to handle and perfect for both home use and professional settings. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced nail artist, this PUEEN stamper set gives you the tools to create detailed, high-quality nail art with ease and precision. It's a full set that includes both the stamper and scraper, so you have everything you need in one package. If you love the idea of DIY nail art or want to up your stamping game, this transparent stamper is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we bring you the best products broken down so you can make the right choice. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.